welcome to INS TechSwap channel. Today I am going to share the views on networking devices. Before going to discuss about the networking devices, let me know this information on CCNA guys. In this lecture I shared the views on networking devices, that is part 1. In that part 1 we will see the network interface code, that is NIC. So remaining parts or devices we will see the next lectures or upcoming videos guys. I discussed the basic knowledge and basic information about the CCNA and networking introduction part 1 and part 2 in previous videos like OSI models and topology and media like that. So that here the CCNA I divided into 3 parts mainly, that is the basic fundamental introduction part and the networking devices part 1 and networking devices part 2. Coming to networking devices, that is part 1, we have to see network interface card, NIC, and hub, switch, router, gateway, bridge. So firstly I will discuss the network interface card. Let's see guys. Network interface card. See the definition of network interface card. See guys, it is the interface between the computer and the network. It is also known as LAN card or Ethernet card. A network interface controller is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to a network. It is a separate computer hardware component and it is used to connect a computer shared to the data among different PCs or computers. Network interface card controllers are also called as network adapters, LAN adapters. Network interface card are two types. Those are wired network interface card and wireless network interface card. So coming to the wired network interface card, see that are used to sharing the data using LAN cables. Here we are using LAN cables, are called wired network interface card. By using network interface card with Wi-Fi connections is called done by wireless network interface card. For example, see guys, here we connect a mobile phone to a Wi-Fi network using wireless network card. So that network interface cards are most or a device to connect a internet only. So that how network interface card use. Here see, it's a totally hardware component, right? So that it can made up of a circuit board or chip. So these network interface card uses on the OSI model for to send the signals at the physical layer to the transfer data packets at the network layer. How network interface card work? See guys, on a computer, network card works by taking the data it given to it by the CPU and sending it to a destination. So it translate the data into a form of can be transferred. So here we are using cables in connection and then translate the data it receive back into the data by usable computer. Coming to advantages, see it can share or store information on other computers and communicate with other computers on the network like by sending email or video conferencing. For example, you can share hardware, example print a document at another computer or in a other room. Also here the communication speed using internet, so that it is usually gigabytes and it is a highly reliable connections and it has many ports, so that many peripheral devices can be connected using many ports of these cards. So it has a bulk data and it can be shared among many users. Importance of network interface card. See the NIC purpose. Here the main one advantage is it allows both wired and wireless communications, and these cards allows between computers connected like local area networks. This is about network interface card, guys. I will explain other videos on a hub, switch and router and other networking devices. See, let one by one. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you, guys.